Cuppy, Cuppy, Cuppy the cake. When your mom's a little missus, need a little break. Don't add that slice of pie or that heavy milkshake, but a fluffy, not a stuffy cupcake.
Hi, welcome to the Cupcake Spot. My name is Nicole Longo, I'm the owner, and come on in and see where we create sweet bites of happiness. Now we're in our Tampa location. Every day we make 18 different flavors of cuppies. As you can see, our display case is filled with them. These tasty little bundles of joy are what we live for. We're more a marriage of flavors than we are special decorations, but as you can see, they're very elegant looking. These are our top 5 sellers, and we have Paint the Town Red Velvet, which has a cream cheese frosting on a rich cocoa cake. We have our Cuppy, which is designed to look like our darling mascot, Cuppy, strawberry cake. The Butterscotch Babies, which is a butterscotch toffee cake with vanilla bean buttercream frosting, and chocolate cake with chocolate buttercream. The Better Than, which you can say better than and insert your sin here, is a very dense chocolate chip cake with a cream cheese frosting. We actually won an award, Best Small Dessert of Tampa Bay 2009 with our Better Thans. The Better Than is also our most popular seller. Before opening the bakery 3 years ago, I worked in a highly competitive cutthroat industry in marketing and public relations as a media strategist. When I opened the Cupcake Spot, I wanted to bring that same competitive nature and branding. For me, it was an overall package. It wasn't just baking cupcakes. I wanted to create a company that could compete on a national level. Our brand is much more than just our logo. In fact, we designed this adorable little mascot. His name is Cuppy, and we refer to everybody that works here and our customers as Cuppies as well. In fact, Cuppy's become so popular that we sell almost as much merchandise with his adorable face on it as we do the cupcakes that we bake. And when I say that Cuppy adorns the merchandise, this is one of our most popular sellers, Peace, Love, and Cuppy. We also have a baby onesie that says Lil Cuppy, and then we've got the most darling doggy onesie, Cuppy Puppy. The craziest thing I've ever seen in the cupcake industry was Valentine's Day 2 years ago, a couple months after we first opened. 2 hours before we opened, people started lining up outside, and when we opened the doors, about 100 people poured in, and they started arguing about who was in line outside and how they could get the same queue inside, and elbowing to get up to the display case first. It was absolute insanity. Then we sold out of 4,000 cupcakes in 2.5 hours. I had to close our doors and hang up the sold out sign. Womp womp. We bake cupcakes for all sorts of events, birthday parties, baby showers, weddings. In fact, we just did the Outback Bowl, and talk about a stressful event. My husband and I were hosting a large New Year's Eve party, and here in Tampa Bay we have this little event called the Outback Bowl that attracts about 70,000 people. The day before the event, they contacted us and asked us if we could cater 1,500 cupcakes for the corporate tent. And we managed to say goodnight to our guests at 3 a.m. and be at the stadium at 6 a.m. to set up. I opened my first store 3 years ago, and within a year I opened my second one. Since then I've seen cupcake companies open and close their doors, and I don't think that anyone's doing it quite like we are. Hey Cupcake Wars, me and the Cuppy here, we say bring it!